outfield and infield. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday, the stage was 13.7 feet. Bankfull stage is 15.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 16.6 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday afternoon. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Now for the official map.
I just got home. And unfortunately, I missed literally almost every single alert from this flood event because of school, but oh well, that takes priority.